This opens up a huge opportunity for you to sell these 20 pro videos in the hottest local niches right now. These are high-quality videos to promote their business that would usually cost them $400, $500, or even $1,000 to produce from scratch. And better yet, they're getting the video delivered to them immediately. No need to wait around for days or weeks for some overpriced video agency to create their video. You'll be delivering instant results that they'll happily pay big bucks for. We'll even show you how to find your first client fast and free with our step-by-step bonus workshop. It couldn't be easier. Remember, local business owners already want and need videos like this to get more traffic, leads, and sales. And that's why everywhere you look, they're paying thousands to have these types of videos created. So forget complicated local marketing services. Selling these animated videos is exactly what local business owners want, and it couldn't be simpler. You're in the perfect position to cash in on this booming video industry, so why wait? Click the order button below to lock in your 20 pro quality local business videos that you can profit with right now. You're getting 20 pro local videos, complete with images, animations, voiceovers, and music in the hottest local niches right now. Free video editors so that you can quickly rebrand and fully edit these videos however you want. Step-by-step rebranding tutorials, plus an unlimited reseller license, which means you can sell these videos over and over to as many business owners as you want. For a tiny investment today, you're getting everything you need to start collecting cash from desperate local business owners who need more customers today. So why wait? Hit the order button right now to get full reseller rights to these professionally done for you local marketing videos, ready to edit, rebrand, or sell straight out of the box to local business owners today. Click the buy button right now before we raise the price once again.
Dealing with pain can be difficult, be it chronic back or shoulder pain or constant pain caused by an accident. It can affect your daily life in a big way. Discomfort due to frequent headaches, numbness, and nerve pain must be taken seriously, as oftentimes they lead to bigger health problems. A good chiropractor can help you. We are a local chiropractic service provider and have been helping our patients live a pain-free life. We have helped patients from all walks of life manage and reduce pain. Our expert chiropractors and friendly staff are standing by to help you alleviate your pain and lead a normal life. Get in touch with us to schedule a free consultation today.
Breakdowns are never fun or enjoyable, at least not so for the majority of the population. Unfortunately, breakdowns happen, and there's little you can do about it, apart from calling your reliable towing company. Note that the key word here is reliable, and by that we mean a towing company that has an experienced staff that are quick and friendly. We are a fully licensed and insured towing company, and we provide a gamut of services to help you with the specific problem that you're dealing with. Our services include towing, transport, jump start, tire change, unlock doors, fuel delivery, flatbed towing, impound service, wheel lift, and water recovery, among others. We are standing by to help you in an emergency. Call us now. Is your washing machine giving you a tough time? Or maybe your dishwasher is behaving weird? We can help. We are a local appliance repair business offering high-quality services. We repair most small and medium-sized home appliances and have thousands of happy customers who vouch for our services. And we do all that without making a huge dent in your bank account. What are you waiting for? Call us today for your appliance repair needs.